Hello, it's Pajama Affiliate Robin kicking off our 30-day video challenge. We're doing this at Pajama Affiliates in our mastermind group to help people step out of their comfort zone, gain confidence, and maybe move into video marketing. But anyway, this is my introductory video. Many of you know I have been doing videos for a long time, and I don't find them intimidating anymore, but I did at one time. And there's something else I can't tell you, and you see I've got my little Hiawatha Pocahontas braids here, just looking silly. I've done videos with myself in pink curlers. That one took a lot. That one was hard to do, and I put it in a Facebook ad, and it reached like 700 people. So that was 700 people that saw me, no makeup, pink curlers, looking God knows what. But anyway, the purpose of this 30-day kickoff is to help you build your confidence. And I can't tell you how, when I can't find anything, when I am clogged up about writing, it's so much easier to do a video, and I feel so good after I do the video because I get to really speak, and I get, you know, I don't know, maybe it's the joy of being heard. I don't know, but if you're scared to do this, I promise you that once you do this, it will propel you forward, because anytime you take a step and push through a fear that you have, you grow. And that is the main purpose of this exercise at Pajama Affiliates, is to help us to step out of our comfort zone and to grow, because success in your business online depends on it. It really, really does. If you have a fear of being seen, people are not going to feel you, and they're not going to trust you. And, you know, even if you choose not to do video marketing, if you do this step and you take it and you go with it, it will reflect. Your confidence that you build doing this is going to reflect in your other work, and it will help you go forward. So I urge you to step out of your comfort zone and join us in this 30-day challenge to do a video. You know, if you don't want to do it every day, that's fine, but start with the first video. I may not be able to do one every day, but I will do quite a few. You know, I mean, shoot for 4 or 5 a week and post them in there. Let us cheer you on, and let's just go for it. Okay, I'll see you in your video. Thanks.